Hey, it's Aaron here. So recently I've been asked about the affiliate business system that I've been, talking about. And some people have asked me, does it actually work? Are people getting results from it, right? So what I'm going to do over the next few minutes is I'm going to show you proof that members and students of this particular program that are using this platform, the affiliate business system right here, which you've probably seen, all right? I'm just going to show you the commissions that they've actually made with the actual platform, all right? Now, usually what we do is we have a private group here, the 4%, right? So 4% is a parent company of Affiliate Business System. So Vic owns the 4%, and this is our private group. We've got about 24,000 members at the time of recording this video, and people will always post their results inside of this group. So they have, questions, and there's a lot of people, so there's a lot of posts right here. So I'm just going to scroll down very quickly. There's a whole bunch of other posts that people are, talking about different things. But let me just find you one where someone has actually posted something about their results, okay? And you can see right here, Miles is actually showing you that he just made, right? There's a whole bunch of stuff right here. You can see that he actually made a sale right here, $447.30, okay? It says Shiki Boom, he got a sale, all right? Now, I'm not going to scroll down and look through all of them, but what I've done is I've screenshotted a whole bunch of these so that, we can save time, because this is a very big group, almost 25,000 people. So there's going to be just a ton of posts here, right? So what I've done is I'm going to just open up right now, and you can see this right here. I've screenshotted a whole bunch of them. I'm just going to run through them so that you can see that people are getting real results, okay? And you can see that this is the 4% group, right? So this is Paul. He said, got my first Shiki Boom sale, ABS and IPS upgrade, made $833. Woohoo. Pretty good, right? This is Antoine, right? You can see it's in the 4% group. Great way to wake up, cup of coffee and a Shiki Boom. 447 from a $98 ad spend. Rinse and repeat. Big tip, for each sale, bring your customers into the VIP community Facebook group for me. Teach them how exactly what you do. Okay, good stuff right there, right? Gerald made another sale today on our Stellar Affiliate Business System. You can see right here, $447 right there. That's pretty cool, right? This is Reina. Oh my God, first ABS sale. I'm so excited. You can see here, $447. Congratulations, Reina. That's pretty cool right there, right? This is Miles. Again, another blessed to have generated another Shiki Boom sale. You can see right there, Shiki Boom right there. Okay, this is Brian. Just wanted to share that the ABS VSL is working good. Got another sale a couple of days ago in my sleep. Okay, woke up to a Shiki Boom. You can see right there. Congratulations, Brian, 447. And I could just keep going on like this. Okay, PJ. People asked if it works. Well, it does, even while I was shopping with my wife. Right there, $447.30 for PJ. Okay, and I've got a ton of these guys, and I can just keep going, right? This is Peter, right? Peter made $447 there. We've got Gerald making $447 there, right? This is Pete Pritchard, right? $447 there. Shiki Boom got a sale, so it's working, right? Here's another one from Miles, $1,341.90. This is Kelsey right here. You can see the email. He got $447 right there. This is Kim. Okay, waking up to multiple commissions. Got a sale here, got a sale here, 2 sales right there, right? This is Nicholas, right? 2 sales right there. So that's about 80 something dollars right there. Here's Jim making sales. Here's Oscar making sales. Here's Kelsey, another sale. Here's Ahmad, a few sales right there. You can see 3 different sales right there, right? Pretty amazing. Okay, Maria right here, another sale. Jared, right? 2 sales right there, 447 plus 386, right? Here's Jim Knopp, right? 447. Here's Vikram, made his first sale right there, 447. Okay, pretty cool stuff. Here's Lane, another sale, and there's a bunch more. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that this actually works. Because yes, this probably sounds really good and exciting, right? You've probably watched this presentation by Vic, right? You're basically taking his system that he uses, his business, and you're going to replicate that and brand it for yourself, right? But the big question is are people actually making money with this system? And you can actually see right there that was proof positive. I just kind of went through all the screenshots, okay, that people are generating a ton of sales, all right? So if you've been sitting on the fence, you've been watching this, maybe you've seen this from me, and you're like, Aaron, I'm interested in this sounds awesome, but are people actually making money from it? Are they getting results from it? What can I expect? Well, you can see right here, and I just again showed you. I can show you a whole bunch more, but I don't want to be here for forever and waste your time. But you can see right here, I mean, these are all the people actually posting inside of our group, right? And you can see 4% right there, and these are all the people that are making sales. Now, of course, you have to work the system, you have to use it, do it properly, actually set it up, implement it, right? And get traffic to it, and we're going to teach you how to do all that stuff inside, but you actually have to take action and do some work, right? That's how real businesses work. This is not something where you get it and then you just sit back, relax, drink a coconut, sit by the beach, and it's just going to work on autopilot. It doesn't really work like that, but it's going to take away a lot of the heavy lifting, and people are getting tremendous results. All right, so what I would recommend right now, just click the link below, you'll see it pop up. Okay, you can come back to this presentation right here, watch it, you'll have a button at the end, and I would say get into Affiliate Business System. If you want to see results like this, if you want to see income like this, if you've never made a sale online ever, and you're wondering how are people making hundreds of dollars per sale, well, it's all through this system. All right, and if you want to get your hands on it, click the link below, finish the presentation by Vic, and get in, and you will also get my bonuses. All right, thousands of dollars worth in bonuses. You'll be part of my support group. Okay, you'll have additional bonuses from me. I'm also going to gift you my Video Authority Mastery program, which is going to show you how I get leads, how I've generated over 100,000 free organic leads using YouTube, and I'm going to just give you that course for free, and you can use the exact same strategy. So when you go through my link right below, all right, you're not only going to get access to the system, but all the support and the bonuses and the training from me as well, to make sure that you have a super high chance of having a lot of success exactly like this. Speak to you soon. Go ahead and click the link below right now. Look forward to seeing you inside of the program. Take care.